Hello, students. This is Professor Calamanis. I just want to show you maybe some ways to navigate through the page. So this is our course page on Brightspace. You can see that there are announcements here to kind of let you know what's going on this week. And, it's talking about the syllabus quiz, and you have an assignment due this week. Pretty much everything is going to be listed in the Content tab. If you click on the Content tab, it shows you the module. So we did week 1, right? There was a diagnostic essay, and then we go to module 2, and here's all of the links, right? 5 steps to the writing process, this week's video, a draft of the work paper, the links, and another instructional video about process. Now, I post on Tuesday mornings, so you should see these posts, right? So this is module 2. You can also go to assignments. It shows you all the things that are being graded right now, right? And here are the due dates, right? So here are the links for the articles. Should be helpful to you if you see it that way. You can check your progress as well. What did you do? Where are you right now? There are quizzes. So up here, right now, I am not using discussion board posts. I don't know why someone talked to you, students, about that. That is not how I'm doing the course right now. We are just working on these modules. So that's where you need to look, right? So here's the home page. When you first go in, it says this is what you should do. And I usually do like a little bit of an announcement. Sometimes that's just a video of me talking to you, right? And I tend to not delete those so you can see each week. Then you go to content. Right now, we're in module 2. See it? Okay. You can also go to table of contents to see there's more information. The syllabus and the schedule are there. My syllabus, it does have some incorrect information about Blackboard, but that's because we're switched over recently. Okay, so once again, right, here's where you go in. Here's your content. And here's where we are right now. Okay, good luck.